Peter Matlare Biography, real name, education, career. Peter Matlare Biography. Peter Matlare is a South African corporate executive, deputy CEO and executive director at Absa Group Limited, born on 30th November 1960 in Durban, South Africa. Name: Matlare's full name is Peter Bambatha Matlare. Education: Peter Matlare attended the University of York, Canada for his master's degree and has a Bachelor of Science in Political Science from the same University of York, Canada. Career: Mr. Matlare previously occupied the position of Chief Executive Officer and Executive Director at Johannesburg-listed Tiger Brands Limited, Chief Executive Officer of South African Broadcasting Corporation, Executive Director Commercial at Vodacom SA, Chief Strategy and Business Development Officer at Vodacom Group Limited, and Chairman of National Association of Broadcasters. Background: prior to this, Matlare served as the Chief Strategy and Business Development Officer of Vodacom Group Limited.